everyone, my name is Destiny J. Parada, and I'm here to explain a little bit more about what this device is, this Kangen water ionizer, and how it can replace so many different household products. Getting rid of toxins, plastic, single-use plastic, just by investing in this Kangen water ionizer. So this is known as the K8. This is the flagship model made by Enagic. Enagic is a company from Japan. They've been around for almost 50 years, and this is the only medical grade water ionizer company in the whole entire world, which is really cool. So this is the best model, as far as I think. This is the best one. It's got the most plates, and plates inside of here are really important because the more surface area that the water has to run over, the higher ORP, the more antioxidants, the more hydrogen there is in this water. So this is a water ionizer. Yes, there is a filter in here, but it is not only just a filter. What happens is you hook this up to your sink and the water runs through a filter, and then it runs over 8 platinum dipped titanium plates. And those are electrolyzed, right? So they're attached to electricity. The machine is on. So when the water runs over the plates, the water atoms separate, and it makes it possible to have a hydrogen atom and the oxygen, right? So because of this, you have the opportunity to choose different pHs of water. And because you have the opportunity to really change the pH of the water that's coming out of this machine, there's different uses for these different pHs. So for drinking water, we've got 9.5, 8.5, and 9.0. And those are the drinking waters. Those are great for consuming and really good for cooking. Besides that, we have the 7.0, and that's just clean water. That's just only ran through the filter and not through the ionizer. So it's really great for taking like time responsive medicines, as well as making baby formula. And then we've got the 6.0. The 6.0 is known as beauty water, and it is a 6.0 pH. It is the same pH as your face and your skin, so it's actually a toner, basically. It's the same kind of pH water that facial toners are made out of, and lots of different facial products. So this is incredible for your skin. It makes it super tight. It also happens to be super similar to the pH of rain. So it's absolutely amazing for plants. Now there's 68 plus different uses for this. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but I'm just gonna kind of give a brief overview of like really what this is all about. And then we've got, turn that back on for you. Then we've got the 2.5 acidic water and the 11.5 strong alkaline water. And those are really incredible. When you hit this button, 2 waters come out of this machine. The 11.0 comes out of the top one, and the 2.5 comes out of this bottom acidic hose. Now the 2.5 is also known as hyperchlorous acid water, which is 100 times more efficient at killing bacteria than bleach. And it is like the mom's best friend, let me tell you. So because of that 2.5, we have removed so much of this stuff from our house. It no longer exists in our house. I actually just borrowed a lot of this stuff from a cleaning company. My mom was moving off island and she had some of this stuff, and I've just kind of saved it so that I could like save it for a demonstration like this. So the 2.5, it's an incredible antibacterial. It also kills staph and MRSA. And so we use it for, we keep it in little spray bottles in our beach bag, in our car in case there's little cuts or anything. Great for using mouthwash, disinfectant to the max, the best disinfectant. So you're getting rid of your counter cleaners, any of your bathroom cleaners, bleach. Seriously, it can clean so much, you guys, with this 2.5 acidic hose. And I will link the 68 uses PDF document to this video so that you can look more into that as well. So when you hit that 2.5 button, like I said, the 2.5 acidic water comes out of here, and then what comes out of here is a high alkaline water. It's an 11 pH, and it's actually an emulsifier. So you can actually mix this water with oil, and it will mix. It won't separate because it is an emulsifier. So this is absolutely amazing for also other cleaning. Oven cleaner, you can actually use it as, you can get rid of Epsom salts. I like a half gallon of the 11.0 in your bath is like, can be similar to what Epsom salts does for your muscles, kind of a relaxing soak. Laundry detergent. Yes, you can use it as laundry detergent. We have soaked our bathing suits and so many other clothes in the 11.0, and it just gets rid of all the oil and all the dirt. Now, what this is really amazing for is it will replace any sort of veggie wash you have. That includes like any essential oil brand or any just like veggie wash brand. The 11.0 strips the fruits and vegetables of the oil-based pesticides, and even organic produce has oil-based pesticides and herbicides. Yes, it's not such a toxic form of them, but they're still there. They still use them to keep pests away, and they're all oil-based so that they don't come off when it rains. So this is the most incredible water to soak your vegetables in, your berries, all your food. Right when you come back from the supermarket, you can disinfect your food and then soak it in this 11.0 so that it strips it of all the pesticides. And as we know, pesticides, herbicides, whether organic or not, are known as endocrine disruptors. These are horrible for our body, especially for our kids as they're growing up. It's almost like we're removing all of these toxins from our house, which could really do end up in our kids, right? They're absorbed by our children, and therefore they, they can do harm over an amount of time. It's not something you see right off the bat. Over time, these toxins, these chemicals can really be detrimental to our health and our organs, our skin, everything, especially for children who are developing. So that's just a few things this K8 does, right? Like I said, I'll link the 68 uses doc, but this is really an incredible sustainability tool. You can get rid of all of this plus more just by having this. And people are finding new uses for this all the time. Getting rid of pests and insects in their garden. Just, it's like endless, right? It's like an endless experiment to find out what this water can do. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you check out thejungleandthesea.com. That's my website, and you can learn more about this water and the business opportunity that comes included in one of these incredible machines. Hope you guys have a great day and look forward to talking to you soon. Remember to subscribe and leave any questions or comments in the thread below. See you later.